YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, we have Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray version. We're going to show you guys how to completely get this sweep hose off. If you guys want to know how to get this hose clamp off, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a video on how to actually get that off. For purposes right now, I'm just going to go ahead and get it off for you guys. Once that's removed, if it's not already removed for you, you're simply just going to pull this new one off. So as you guys can see, it just kind of pressure fits over the feed mask tube. So this is a brand new unit, so it hasn't been used, so it's a little harder to do. But when you get your new sweep hose in, the end that's going to plug into the cleaner is bowed out a little bit to make it a little easier for you to push over this little knob. But you do want to make sure that you push the new tube all the way up to this other divot on the cleaner to make sure that you have enough meat on the hose to grab with the hose clamp to make sure that it holds onto this feed tube really well. So once you get your old one off and you grab your new one, you're just going to kind of wiggle it on. Again, make sure you push it up to that initial divot in the feed mask tube so that it'll stay on there tight. And then you're going to make sure you grab your new hose clamp or zip tie, whatever you guys got in the time, and you're going to go ahead and lift it around and then tighten it up. The end of the tube is about right here. You always want to make sure you're about a quarter of the way in to make sure that you're grabbing this hose well enough so that when the pressure kicks on, this doesn't just pop right back on for you. So make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. We got all these items for you guys available on the website. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.